Another model to solve the given linear equation in one variable. Solve 9 and 1 by 4 is equal to y minus 1 and 1 by 3. Okay, how to solve it? I explain. Okay, solve this one. So solution, this one is mixed fraction converting into improper first. Okay, 9 into 4, 36 plus 1, 37. 37 by 4 is equal to y minus, this is also mixed fraction converting into improper. 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4. 4 by 3. Okay, now you write all constants in one side and another variables in another side. That means this is minus 4 by 3. After transposition, it becomes positive quantity. So 37 by 4 plus 4 by 3 is equal to 1. So this is negative quantity. Of transposition, it becomes positive quantity. Okay, now the simplify these two rational numbers. So LCM of the denominators 4 and 3. So the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Okay, so 4 how much? 12. 3 is up. So 3 into 37. 3 into 37. So 3 7 ja 21. 2 is there. Okay, 3 3 is 9 plus 2 11. Plus 3 how much? 12. 4 ja 4. This is 4. This is 4. 4 4 ja 16 is equal to 1. So therefore y is equal to 111 plus 16, totally 127 by 12. So y equal to 127 by 12 is solution of the given linear equation. If you substitute y equal to 127 by 12 in the given linear equation, that equation will be balanced on both sides. That means both LHS and RHS are equal. So this y equal to 127 by 12 is only one solution of the given linear equation. So is solution of given linear equation. Solve this linear equation in one variable. So this is another model. Okay, how to solve it? Okay, so solution x by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. Okay, now you write all constants in one side and variable terms in another side. That means this is minus 4 by 5. After transposition, it becomes positive quantity. That means plus 4 by 5. So remaining x by 2, it has some variable x plus x by 5 variable term and plus 3x by 10. Okay, now the constant minus 4 by 5, after transposition it becomes positive quantity. That means 1 by 5 plus 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Okay, so they are in rational form. Now you convert that one in simple form. Very simple. Find out the LCM of the denominators 2, 5, 10. Okay, so 2 and 5 are factors of 10. So the LCM of the denominators is equal to 10. Okay, so 2 how much? 10? 5 is up. So 5 and x. 5 into x, 5x plus 5 how much? 10? 2 is up. 2x. 2 into x, 2x plus 10 how much? 10? 1 is up. 1 into 3x, 3x is equal to, both the denominators are same, 5. Okay, now you add the numerators, 1 plus 4. Okay, so all are having same variable x and same exponent 1. That means they are like terms, 5x, 2x and 3x. All are having variable x and exponent also 1. They are like terms. Okay, now you add them directly. 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. So 10x by 10, that equal to 5 by 5. 5 by 5. Okay. So 10x means 10 into x. by 10 is equal to 5 ones are 5 ones are, that means 1. Okay, so 10 ones are 10 ones are. So therefore the value or the solution is x equal to 1. That means x ones are 1, x ones are x by 1, that means x is equal to 1. So this x equal to 1 is solution of the given linear equation. If you substitute x equal to 1 in LHS and RHS, both are balanced. That means both are equal. LHS equal to RHS. That means this x equal to 1, only x equal to 1 satisfies the given linear equation in one variable. So this x equal to 1 is solution of the linear equation. So is solution of linear equation. Okay. Solve another linear equation in one variable like x. Okay, how to solve it? Okay, solution x by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay, how to solve it? Very simple. You write all variable terms in one side and the remaining constant terms in another side. Okay, so this is plus x by 3. After transposition it becomes negative quantity. That means x by 2 plus x by 3, after transposition it becomes minus x by 3 is equal to, this is minus 1 by 4, after transposition it becomes plus 1 by 4, plus 1 by 4. Now you have to solve it and you get x value. Okay, how to solve it? Okay, they are in rational form. Now you convert them into simple form. Okay, how to convert? Very simple. 2 and 3, the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 2 3s are 6. Okay, 2 how much is 6? That is 3. So 3 into x equal to 3x minus 3 how much is 6? That equal to 2. So 2 and x, 2 into x, 2x is equal to the LCM of the denominators. So 2 is the factor of 4. So 2 and 4, it's LCM 4. Okay, 2 how much are 4? 2. So 2 into 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 4 how much are 4? 1s are 1 into 1, 1. So both are like terms because they are having same variable x. Okay, same exponent. Okay, 3x minus 2x equal to 1x. That means x by 6 is equal to 2 plus 1, 3 by 4. But what do you want? We want to find x value. That means you transpose this x into another side. Okay, so this is division quantity. After transposition it becomes product quantity. That means x by 6 is equal to 3 by 4 into, this is division. After transposition it becomes multiplication. That means 6. Okay, so x is equal to 3 by 4 into 6. So this is division. Of transposition it becomes multiplication. Okay, so both are having one common factor 2. That means 2 2s are 2 3s. They are, both are divisible by 2. Okay, so x equal to 3 3s are 9 by 2. So this 9 by 2 is solution of the linear equation. If you substitute x equal to 9 by 2 in the given linear equation, that both LHS and RHS are equal. So this x equal to 9 by 2 is only one solution of the given linear equation. So is solution of given linear equation. Solve another linear equation in one variable. This is another model, different model. How to solve? Okay, so in LHS also in rational form, RHS also in a rational form. Now you convert them into simple form. How? Very simple. Okay, solution 2x minus 3 by 3x plus 2 is equal to minus 2 by 3. Here 3 is division quantity. After transposition it becomes multiplication. Okay, 3x plus 2 is division quantity. Of transposition it becomes multiplication. So this is known as cross multiplication. Okay, both denominators are multiplied to each other. So that means this 3 is transferring to another side, and this 3x plus 2 is transferring to RHS. So this denominator transfer to RHS and this denominator transfer to RHS. So this is known as cross multiplication. Okay, so that means 3 into 2x minus 3 equal to minus 2 into, this is division of transposition multiplication, 3x plus 2. Okay, so 3 2s are 6x minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus 6x. Negative quantity in positive quantity, negative quantity, 2 2s are 4. Okay, now you write all variable terms in one side and constant terms in another side. That means minus 6x of transposition, it becomes positive. That means 6x plus 6x. This is minus 9 after transposition, positive. That means 9 plus 4. Okay, so 9 minus 4. Okay, plus 9 and minus 4. So 6 plus 6, 12x is equal to 9 minus 4, that equal to 5. Okay, so here 12x means 12 into x is equal to 5. That means here operation is product. Okay, this product operation after transposition it becomes a division. That means x equal to 5 by 12. 5 by 12 is the solution of the given linear equation. Okay.